segment for PappysCorner coming up.
Tool-a-Holic Tuesday! Check it out, I have a Matco welding helmet. Stick around to the end and I'll tell you a Tuesday tidbit. But for the Matco welding helmet, it's a dual use item. And Pappy loves dual use items. This baby here, it can double as a Halloween costume. Check it out. Trick or treat. Okay, let's open the box and check it out. Check out the contents. Okay, there we go. There's a bag, and it has some extra lens shields, an extra battery, and a strap. There. And this here is a hood. Welding hood. So Matco tools. Yeah, that'll keep the spatter out of your neck and out of your hair. And here is a mouth guard. And a case. So, let's open the case and see what we got inside. Oh, nice. There's fuzz on there. Nice strap. Nice rubber cushioning for around the forehead and nose area. There's a row of buttons here on the side. And it looks like that's where the battery would go. This cover shield, you can see the replacements that are in here. There's just a little thumbnail slot here you can pick up on it, change it. And this gets all spattered up and scratched up and put on a new one. So yeah, well, taking a look at these buttons here on the side, I'll get them up there so you can take a little better look at them. Well, there's the power button, and there's the shade. It says 9. And the delay is 7, which up here on the chart says 0.4 seconds. And the sensitivity is on 9. So you can up that if you want to go to 11 or 13. So, very nice. Power it off. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put the face shield on, and it clips on underneath the nose piece here. Like so. And there it is. And I'll just go ahead and try it on. I think I put it on right over my glasses. I'll push them up a little bit. Oh yeah, I'll take the hat off. There we go. Oh yeah, nice and comfy. So put the hat back on. And then of course the hoodie for protection. Awesome. Well, I haven't tried welding with it yet, but I like everything about it. The only minor drawback might be that these buttons here tend to kind of get in the way when you're putting it off and on, and next thing I know I'm pushing buttons without intending to. So maybe the buttons could have been like inside here or someplace where your hands aren't constantly touching. And for example, when I was putting on the face mask, I was hitting the buttons and stuff. So other than that, why, I think it's really nice and stylish. Okay, thanks for sticking around for the Tuesday tidbit. I have Grandpa's Favorites. This book was courtesy of Ichiban Moto. Thank you, Ichiban Moto. And I found a selection in here that says, I'm the boss. The boss was complaining in our staff meeting the other day that he wasn't getting any respect. The next day he brought in a small sign that said, I'm the boss, and then he taped it to his office door. Later that day, when he returned from lunch, he found that someone had taped a note to the sign that said, your wife called and she wants her sign back. This is a good little book. So, thank you for coming to the corner today, and remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.